Soldering mistake number 2 is not deburring copper pipe.
Whenever copper pipe is cut, it creates a sharp edge on the end of the pipe called a burr. The burr reduces the inside diameter and enlarges the outside diameter of the pipe. The inside burr will always be much larger than the outside burr. In order to avoid numerous issues, you need to always deburr copper pipe.
If the burr on the inside of the pipe is not removed, it will cause turbulence as water flows past the burr. This can reduce water pressure, cause particle suspension, increase noise, and wear away the inside wall.
This is a cross-sectional picture showing the inside of a copper pipe that was not deburred on the inside. The blue arrow shows the water flow direction. Notice how the inside wall of the pipe and the fitting are wearing away.
If the burr on the outside of the pipe is not removed, it can prevent a proper seal with the fitting and cause a weak connection that's prone to leaks.
If the burr on the outside of the pipe is not removed, it can also damage the O-ring seal on a push fitting and cause leaks. Personally, I found the best way to remove inside burrs is to use a special deburring tool like this one, which has a rotating cutting blade. It removes burrs really fast, it's very easy to use, and leaves a nice smooth surface. Be sure the blade is sharp and that it's replaced when it becomes dull. Whenever deburring the inside of copper pipe, always point the end of the pipe downward so that the metal shavings from the burr fall out. For demonstration purposes only, I'm going to point the end of the pipe upward a little so that you can see this demonstration better. While firmly holding the pipe with one hand, insert the blade with the other hand into the pipe and rotate it around the inner wall clockwise or counterclockwise to shave off the burr. There, it's done. The burr has been completely removed. Personally, I found the best way to remove outside burrs is to use what's called plumber's abrasive sandcloth. It removes burrs really fast, it's very easy to use, and leaves a nice smooth finish. Be sure to use a piece that's long enough to wrap around the entire circumference of the pipe. While firmly holding the pipe with one hand, apply pressure on the sandcloth with the other hand and rotate the sandcloth back and forth around the burr until it's removed. There, it's done. The burr has been completely removed. I hope you found this helpful, and if you like this video, please hit the like button below, share it with your friends, and please be sure to subscribe. God bless you and have a great day. Bye for now. Okay, Sparky, wave.